Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your past Facebook comments. Here's how you find them. Open your Facebook app, click on the hamburger menu, click on your profile. Now click on the three dots at the right corner. Click on activity log. So what you have to do is to click on activity history at the top right corner. Now the next thing to do is to click on filters. Click on categories. Expand Facebook activity. Expand comments and reactions. Now click on comments. Here, you find all the comments you have made on Facebook. You can sort them by the date if you want, but I'm just going to go with the recent ones. If you want to go back to those comments, you click on the three dots and click on view. It's going to take you to the comment. You can modify it or delete it if you want. So that's how you find your past Facebook comments. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.